children, how are you all today? I hope you all are doing fine. I am Jaybala Rao. I am the class teacher for Senior KGB. My partner and co-teacher is Priyanka.
Now, children, we all know that the English alphabet is divided into vowels and consonants. Can you all tell me which are the vowels of the English alphabet? Correct. A, E, I, O, and U are the 5 vowels of the English language. We use these vowels to make words, correct? Today, we are going to make words using the letter A. Are you all excited to make new words using letter A? But first, children, who can tell me what sound does the letter A make? Come on, children, you all know this. Correct. The letter A makes the sound A. Oh, the letter A is moving to the side. I wonder why it did that. Ah, its friend has come. Who is this new letter? Who can tell me which letter is this? It is the letter T. Correct. And what sound does the letter T make? It makes the sound T. Correct. Oh, the letter T has moved and sat right next to the letter A. I wonder why it did that. Maybe the letters want us to read them together. Come on, children, let's read the letters together. What sound does the letter A make? It makes the sound A. And what sound does the letter T make? It makes the sound T. A, T, A, T. Act. Together, the letters A and T make the word at. Isn't that interesting? Now, children, I am going to tell you a secret. If we add an alphabet before the letters A and T, we can make many new words. Now, since all these words will end with the letters A and T, they belong to the same word family. Can y'all tell me what is this word family called? It is called the 80 word family. Are you all excited to meet the words of the 80 word family? Here are the letters A and T, and we all know their sounds, right? Now, let's see what happens when we add another letter. Which letter is it? It's the letter B. And the letter B has moved and it has sat in front of A and T. Now, let's try and read this word. All right? Come on, children. Read with me. What sound does the letter B make? Makes the sound B. B, A, T. B, A, T. B, A, T. Bat. Correct. We made the word bat. What is a bat? Who knows? It's a flying mammal. It sleeps during the day and it sleeps upside down and it stays awake at night. Correct? Very good. Now let's see what letter is coming up next. Oh, it's the letter C. And the letter C makes the sound K. What sound does the letter C make? K. Yes. So now let's put them together and let's read the word. K, A, T. K, A, T. K, A, T. K, A, T. Cat. Correct. We made the word cat. Now let's see what's next. It's the letter F. Okay, and what sound does the letter F make? Makes the sound F. Let's put them together. Now let's try and read the word. F, actor, F, actor, F, actor. We made the word fat, just like this big fat pig. Very good, children. Now it's your turn, okay? Let's see what letter is coming up next. Correct, it's the letter M. And the letter M makes the sound M. Let's put them together. And what is the word? Come on, children, you all can read this word. Correct, mat, mat, just like the welcome mat outside our homes. Correct. Let's see what letter comes up next. Yes, it's the letter R. And the letter R makes the sound R. And let's read the word. Correct. Rat, just like the small little rat. Very good. Let's see what letter comes up next. The letter is H. And the letter H makes the sound H. Very good. Let's read them together. H, actor. Just like this hat that we have put on our heads in the summers. Correct, children. Very good. And now let's see which other word is coming up. Oh, which letter is that? That's the letter S. Very good. And the letter S has gone and sat right next to the A and T. Come on, let's read this word together. What sound does the letter S make? S. Correct. S, actor, S, actor, sat. Very good. Just like this cat who's sitting on a mat. Sat, which is the past tense of sit. Very good, children. We read all the words of the 80 word family. We all had fun learning to read the words from the 80 word family and meeting them today. Yes? Let's recall all the words from the 80 word family. All right? The first word is b, at, bat. G, at, cat. M, at, mat. R, at, rat. H, at, hat. S, at, sat. F, at, fat. And p, at, pat. These are all the words that belong to the 80 word family. Did you have fun, children? Yes.
I hope you all had fun meeting all the 80 words today. I have one more fun activity for you all. Along with this video, you all will get a worksheet. In that worksheet, you have to match the 80 words with the correct pictures. I hope you all have fun doing the worksheet. This is Jaibala Rao signing off on behalf of Rejoice International School.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Activity sheet can be downloaded from the link provided below.